Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two powerful graphics cards from Gigabyte: the Radeon RX 7800 XT and the GeForce RTX 5070. Both cards promise exceptional gaming performance, but which one truly stands out? In this video, we will delve into their specifications, performance metrics, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. Let's dive into the specifications of both graphics cards. The GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7800 XT features 16 GB of GDDR6 memory with a 256-bit memory interface, providing ample capacity for modern gaming. In contrast, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 comes with 12 GB of GDDR7 memory and a 192-bit interface, which, while slightly less, is still competitive for gaming. The RX 7800 XT is built for high resolutions, while the RTX 5070 leverages next-gen architecture for enhanced performance. When it comes to gaming performance, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7800 XT excels at 1440p and is capable of handling 4K gaming with ease, thanks to its robust cooling system and high memory capacity. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070, with its next-general GDDR7 memory and PCIe 5.0 interface, is designed to deliver high performance in modern gaming scenarios, making it a strong contender for gamers looking for cutting-edge technology. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7800 XT is priced at $499, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers seeking high performance. Meanwhile, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 comes in at $659, reflecting its next-gen features and capabilities. Depending on your budget and performance needs, this could be a crucial factor in your decision. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7800 XT and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 offer impressive features and performance for gamers. The RX 7800 XT stands out with its higher memory capacity and lower price, while the RTX 5070 brings next-gen technology to the table. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific gaming needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech reviews.